Welcome to your practice guided meditation by KORU Meditations. Use these practice series time and time again until you become fluent in their practice. Then you can create your own story and your own outcome. No matter what, practicing meditation daily, even for a few minutes, will open your world and your mind to new possibilities. So let's get started. Make yourself as comfortable as possible, either sitting upright in a comfortable chair or lying down in Savasana. And loosen any tight clothing, belts or shoes. And go ahead and close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through the nose for a count of 4, bringing fresh oxygen into your body, into your chest and belly. Hold breath for a count of 4 and exhale through the mouth for a count of 5, pushing the air out of your belly by squeezing your diaphragm up toward your chest, pushing the air out slowly. Now again, inhale through the nose for a count of 4. Feel your belly fill with fresh oxygen. Hold for a count of 4 and exhale through the mouth for a count of 5, slowly squeezing your belly to release all the air. Again, inhale for a count of 4. Be aware of the air entering through your body to your belly. Feel its warmth. Hold for a count of 4. Imagine the freshly breathed air flowing through your body, reaching every corner of your body from the top of your head to the tips of your toes. And exhale through the mouth for a count of 5. Feeling the air touching the back of your throat, passing over your lips and expelling into the atmosphere. Let's go again. Inhale for 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold for 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale for 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold for 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'll leave you here for a few moments to focus on your breath as you allow your whole body to release, relax, and let go. As you continue this breathing technique, I want you to bring your awareness to your own negative energy point, whether it is a toxic energy sitting in the pit of your stomach or your sacral chakra, or maybe a niggling trigger point, pain or headache. It could be a feeling that you cannot pinpoint. If this is the case, then just bring your focus to your sacral chakra, located just below the navel. This chakra is your essence, the center of yourself and your emotional essence. If you have physical pain or illness, bring your attention to exactly that. Now I want you to fully become aware of your negative energy point. How does it feel? Is it tingling, buzzing, pulsing? Sense and feel it in your mind for a moment. Now focus on your negative energy point. Does it have a colour? What colour is it? Is the colour solid, pastel, deep? Sense and watch it in your mind for a moment. Focus on your negative energy point. How big is it? If you could fill it with water, how much water would fit in it? Sense and imagine this in your mind for a moment. Focus on your negative energy point. How does it feel? Is it tingling still? Buzzing? Pulsing? Sense and feel it in your mind for a moment. Focus on your negative energy point. Does it have a colour? What colour is it? Is the colour solid, pastel, deep? Sense and watch it in your mind for a moment. Focus on your negative energy point. How big is it now? If you could fill it with water, how much water would fit in it? Sense and imagine this in your mind for a moment. Focus on your negative energy point. How does it feel now? Is it still tingling or buzzing or pulsing? Sense and feel it in your mind for a moment. Focusing on your negative energy point. Does it still have a colour? What colour is it? Is the colour solid, pastel, deep? Sense and watch it in your mind for a moment. Focus on your negative energy point. How big is it now? If you could fill it with water, how much water would fit in it? Sense and imagine this in your mind for a moment. Can you see your negative energy point is lessening, getting smaller and smaller, barely able to fit a drop of water now? Its colour is not so vibrant now. It is barely a whispering mist. It's softening in its rhythm now. You can barely feel it. Stay here. Keep breathing. Inhale for 4. Hold for 4. Exhale for 5. Inhale for 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold for 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'll leave you to continue this momentum, and when you hear a chime, I'll guide you back to awakeness. Now stay here for a moment to allow this process to complete. Welcome back. Continue to use these Just Listen KORU Lifestylist meditation practices until you are fluent in their practices. And when you find you need to remove negative energy, toxicity, or change the way of being that is not serving you, you will be able to meditate instantly into the exact right meditation for you, quickly, effortlessly, for quick recovery. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, KORU Lifestylist Meditations, and click on the little bell icon so you can be notified on any new meditations and hypnotherapies as they are released. Join me again tomorrow for more Just Listen meditations. Rest, breathe, smile. Namaste.